guys, your girl is back with another cute little spring nail slay. Let me just flat out say, oh my god, I've been trying to get this nail tutorial out since Easter, like way before Easter, and life has just been busy for me, and I've been just slacking. That's just what it is. But we about to go into this. We're gonna start off with the pinky, and I'm gonna use my Cover Beige to do this as a full covered nail. And then later on, that is going to be a cute little foil flower nail. Very cute. But how was everyone's Easter, y'all? Can y'all believe it? Summer is around that corner, baby. And I am too excited. That's like one of my favorite seasons of the year, outside from spring and fall. Winter's last. I can't stand winter. But anywho, how's everything going, you guys? It is Monday over here. How is your week going? How's your Monday going? You know, Mondays is always a drag, but we managed to get through them, and that's all that matters. So my ring finger, I'm going to be going in with this beautiful, like, hot, deep pink color, and the name is Jam, and this is from Nail House. And then I'm going to go over that with a lighter pink, and I do believe that pink is from Dynamic Nail as well. So yes, my little one, my baby, my newborn baby, literally just turned 3 months yesterday. And then my third youngest daughter just turned 6 years old on the 15th. So it has been a very busy and festive weekend this past weekend. Family came in from out of town, and we have just been celebrating, you know, the birth of our 6-year-old daughter, and she is just thriving and growing and just becoming a cute little young little live, bright, big personality, little princess. And I wouldn't change for anything in the world. She is an Aquarius, and you definitely know that she is one. And child, oh my lord, she has her moments, but she's a sweetheart. She's into TikToking, you guys. Let me know if any of y'all kids are into TikToking, because every day she come home from school, Mom, can we do a TikTok? And I'm like, oh gosh. So her and her big sister, they'll be doing TikToks from time to time, and I told them I would help them edit them and post them on their little YouTube channel, which if you have not yet subscribed over there, it is called Them Jays. We haven't posted over there in a while, but I told them, look, you know, we was doing family vlogs. We can still continue to do them, but you guys have to contribute to your channel as well, because mommy is working on her own channel. And yeah, so I'm going to take this foil and apply it to my thumb the same as I did with my pinky. And I just thought that was beautiful little cute, it's cute little foil flowers that I thought would go, you know, tie in well with the color scheme that we have for this nail set here. I'm actually looking for another, like, nail, like a covered color, I guess I would say, because I always use this beige, this Cover Beige, and I just want to step out and try something else. This is a nice kind of, like, in the light it pulls off pink in a way, but it is more of like a tannish color. But yeah, y'all, just sitting here looking at this playback of me recording myself doing these nails. Oh my god. Since I haven't posted, I have been working on, you know, my application, and I'll do like shorts and stuff like that, which you can see a big difference in just a short amount of time. And I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself, and I'm starting to feel a little bit more confident in applying, you know, the acrylic to my nails, and how I want it to come out with the shaping, with how much acrylic I'm using, even, you know, my ratio to monomer with the acrylic powder. Like, all of that takes effect when you continue to just be consistent and practice, practice, practice. So I thought at the time, looking at this, I was just like, oh my God, these are so cute. I did such an amazing job. But I feel like that every time I do a new nail set, and I'm just proud of myself. Even when it comes to filing and shaping my nails, like, to me, I feel like my thumb is the hardest when it comes to shaping the nails, because I don't know, it just seems towards the back end where the cuticle meets my nail bed. I just feel like it's more like square, and then closer towards the free edge, I have more of like a oval shape. I tell y'all, you guys, I know I'm switching the subject from talking about shaping and stuff, but my family, my house is so loud. Like, as you can hear now, my oldest is trying to wash my second youngest hands, and she's so feisty. It's never a dull moment in here, you guys. We are a family of 7. And when I tell you this house stay busy, baby. And I just be like, oh my God. That's another reason why it took me forever to try and get this out, you guys, because every time I try to do the voiceover, somebody hollering and crying, somebody coming in here just asking me for something, somebody asking me to look at this or where is this. I'm just like, oh my God, I can't have a moment to myself right now. My oldest is done washing my second youngest hands, and here she come laying in the bed about to start showing me some stuff about some zodiac signs. And then my second youngest,
Scorpio.
oh my gosh. And then my second youngest, she'll be back here in a minute. Now I got the gate up, you guys, the baby gate up, just so she can't come in here, and she still be trying to climb over the gate, child. I be like, oh my Lord. But yes, I'm about to put in these beautiful butterfly decals, and I thought they went really well with this look. I don't know, y'all. I just been lately, I feel like I'm kind of sad that I missed out on the Valentines with the hearts and stuff like that, but that's okay. I can't wait till next year come around. We're gonna have it popping. Here she come, y'all. She climbing over the gate now. That don't make no sense. The newborn is in here trying to sleep, get her some good rest. Her sister like, But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm happy I'm able to get this one out. That way I have more space to record a new one. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.